Hey traders, welcome to Trade Confident. Guys, thank you so much for all the support on the channel, subscribing. You guys know we're live trading cryptocurrency on every single video. Quick update, if you haven't watched Bitcoin yet, you guys are in the profit. You guys are up over 10% on Bitcoin this morning, so really great job. As this chart loads here, 10.53% you guys are up. I think we're actually gonna hit the sell limit here probably within the next 2 to 3 days. Might actually happen today, so make sure you guys are watching all the videos here and you guys subscribed over at tradeconfident.io. So speaking of tradeconfident.io, this is where all the live trades are being called, all the new trades as well as the trades that are being managed. So let's go over Dogecoin, then I'm going to go over the news this morning that honestly isn't, again, which is ridiculous, not looking that great. So let me go over that in a second. The last thing I said in here was basically, guys, we're going sideways. This shows consolidation in the markets, and if we get a pump up, obviously we're going to see a nice move to the sell limit and we could be in the profit. But if we head down, the reason why I like this strategy the most is that we are going to be picked up at these buy limits in here, and this will help us dollar cost average into Dogecoin, which to me is actually the best way, like a period, to trade cryptocurrency. And I have proof of that with the profits that I'm making, and you guys are obviously doing well on this channel if you're following me. Okay, so let's quickly go over the news real quick. It is still bearish. Move over Dogecoin. Tesla billionaire Elon Musk has suddenly sent the Bitcoin price sharply higher. So let's watch this. Dogecoin has been moving sideways, and it is arguably definitely in a downtrend pattern. And some could say that we are starting to get uptrends of a low, high, a higher low, higher high on the lower time frames as well as the 4-hour. But that article is talking about this, where Bitcoin is moving up very fast. Now, Elon Musk has not come out with any like bullish news for Dogecoin. It's obviously that it hasn't if you're watching his Twitter accounts, if you're watching the news feed. But he did come out and say that he is possibly going to consider accepting Bitcoin again for Tesla if they can have energy consumption less than 50%. And I just covered that over in the Bitcoin video. So this is what they're referring to is, yes, Bitcoin's going up, Elon is pumping Bitcoin, but we have not gotten any tweets, as funny as it sounds, we have not gotten any tweets to pump Dogecoin up. So the news is very bearish. Move over Dogecoin. Another, 2 unstoppable growth stocks that can make you richer than Dogecoin. Very bearish news on this, taking people actually away from Dogecoin and pushing them into stocks, actually. Like, what is going on here? Okay, iconic Doge meme NFT breaks record selling for $4 million. Okay, this isn't bullish or negative news for me. It's NFTs. It obviously is not, something a lot of people are looking at. It's not fluctuating the price at all. Okay, Dogecoin. Why did Doge and Shiba coin drop recently? Okay, another bearish article. No Doge allowed. This is pretty big. Thai SEC bans meme, fan, and exchange tokens as well as NFTs. And then down here we see this last one I'm going to end here. Dogecoin Mark Cuban offers advice on Doge Robinhood. Basically says, part of the fun of actually investing into cryptocurrency is doing your homework and doing your research. And, if you're going to invest into cryptocurrencies that are memes that your friends tell you about, or, you hear on a TikTok video here or even on YouTube, you need to these are not good enough reasons to be able to get into these coins. He says, part of the fun in investing is doing your homework, finding out companies, and seeing if it's something you agree with and believe in. So honestly, guys, in my opinion, there is really no bullish news for Dogecoin at all. And it's very reflective in the price. Nothing's happening, solid sideways consolidation movement. And when we hit these moments, this is where the price can start breaking up or moving down very fast. Now, let's pull some correlation here. Last time we got to this place and we saw a lot of basically indecision, we ended up coming down and we saw a drop of 21%. So could we see a drop of 21%? Yes, that is possible. We saw that back over here. Now, if the consolidation move starts pumping back up, let's play and look at another scenario. We also saw consolidation over here, which is pretty close to the same price. This was at 29, let's call it 30 cents here, and we're currently sitting at about 32. So this actually gave us a pump of 52%. So are we going to go up 52% or are we going to go down 21%? That has historically, kind of been the scenario when we see indecision consolidation in the market, and this is nothing new. Consolidation, not big candles at all, obviously. It's basically indecision. So 52% up or maybe a 15% down. We'll have to see here in the next few days. But let's take a look at what the trend dashboard's telling us. This is telling me that retail traders are indecisive, obviously. It is 50, 100, and 200 bearish. All of these are bearish MAs. The stochastic's moving, the RSI is moving down a little bit. It's okay. It's going to flip-flop in this video. So I'm going to call it green because it was just green. It's probably closer to green than it is red, but I know it's red. So we are looking at majority green for the stochastic, the RSI, and the MACD. So a lot of retail traders are, I would say more retail traders are looking to go long now than they are short because they simply see this low, high, higher low, and higher high on the chart pattern here. So I think this is going to actually give us some momentum to move up. Also, people who are drawing their trend lines here, they're seeing this, basically it's an ascending support on the chart here. They could be looking at this to be a place for the price to bounce. And that is something I do think people are going to be looking at too and considering, is that this is going to be a barrier to have the price go down further. If it comes down here, we could see a spike back up. Okay, price versus the well money flow is looking incredibly bullish here, where when these are positively correlated, the price can move up very fast. When these are positively correlated here, the price can move up fast. So I still think we have plenty of room for Dogecoin to start spiking up here. Now, will it be a total of, what I say, 52% earlier? I don't know if we're going to get up, as high as 52% because that was pretty big. Actually, at the high here, we ended up hitting 53%. So we'll call it 52% and about 16%. So we could see that if we get that move, that'll put us probably up to about, I would say, oh gosh, maybe like 45, probably get a stop out at 50 cents at the psychological level. So maybe 50 cents is what we could be seeing for a move up here this week. But again, like I mentioned, if we get consolidation like we saw last time, pulling this point and we start moving down, if we call it 50 cents for a pump up and we look at 21% down, sorry, not 16, I just meant 21%. If we look at 21% move down, that could put us right around probably about 25 cents. So really we're looking for a move between 25 cents down and 50 cents up. So guys, all of the buy limits are set. If you're following this video, you guys will be triggered in at 27 cents. If you guys get into this trade, a little refresh, we will have our entry move down here probably around 33 cents, which is going to give us a more favorable entry, but will also give us a more favorable risk to reward. So if you guys are looking for a place to live trade crypto, this might be the channel you've been always waiting for. I keep track of all the profits. I keep you guys updated, and all these indicators are available in the description, the trend dashboard, the price versus well money flow, and the trend exhaustion. Make sure you guys snag these, get them on your charts. The price is going up July 1st. God bless you guys. Let's see what happens here, but big moves are about to come for Dogecoin. I'll keep you updated. Bye-bye.